Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Terms Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called EDI. This is Electronic Data Interchange. Of course, this was very popular in the last 1 decade and a bit earlier, but now you have other means to achieve the same thing. The computer-to-computer exchange of business information in a standard format or predefined format is known as EDI. Transaction documents such as purchase orders, invoices, and shipping documents are transmitted electronically and entered directly into a supplier's or purchaser's computer or into a third-party network for processing. So we have some advanced version now possible. In fact, maybe this was used earlier. Now all this transaction can happen in various other formats, and you see the electronics commerce is moving very smoothly either for transmitting document or any other method. We are doing much better, but this is an earlier format for theoretical purpose. Maybe you should have some knowledge about this, and this has happened much earlier to e-commerce era where most of the things were manual and you need to either send it through fax or email, but that was avoided during that period by using some standard format and can be exchanged between the buyer and seller, and it is also designed to directly go to other system and no re-entry is actually required by using this process. Thanks for watching. Bye.